Ford Focus 2012 through 17 maintenance. This is asking to change the transmission fluid every 150,000 miles. You never want to do that. That's why a lot of these cars have the DPS6 transmission, have failures, shudder, etc. You must replace it every 30,000 miles, 35 max. How do I know? From experience. After I replaced the transmission fluid, which is only 2 quarts, at 30,000 miles, all the shudder and hesitation were gone. So I recommend you do that too. Do not let it go past 35,000, 40 max, even though the scheduled maintenance is 150,000. That's the main reason these transmissions fail.